In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy paste exact slides in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know the simplest way to duplicate an entire deck so it looks exactly the same in a new file. Start by opening your web browser and searching for PowerPoint. Open the official Microsoft PowerPoint site. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account so you can access your files. This ensures your presentations load properly and that any changes you make are saved to the cloud. Once you're signed in, locate the presentation you want to copy and click to open it. You'll see your slides listed as thumbnails on the left. To copy everything exactly, click any one slide in that left panel to make sure the slide pane is active. Then press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on a Mac to select all the slides at once. You'll notice every thumbnail becomes highlighted, confirming that the entire deck is selected. With everything selected, right-click on any of the highlighted slide thumbnails and choose Copy. If you prefer shortcuts, Ctrl+C or Command+C works the same. Copying from the thumbnails ensures you're grabbing the complete slide objects, layouts, and notes. Next, head back to the PowerPoint home screen. You can use the back button or the PowerPoint home icon, depending on your interface. Choose Create Blank Presentation to open a fresh file. This gives you a clean place to paste the slides you just copied. In the new presentation, click the first slide in the left panel so PowerPoint knows where to paste. Right-click and choose Paste or use Ctrl+V or Command+V. If you see paste options after pasting, select Keep Source Formatting to preserve the original theme, fonts, colors, and layout exactly as they appeared in the source deck. If you choose Use Destination Theme, PowerPoint will adapt the slides to the new file's theme, which changes the look. For an exact copy, Keep Source Formatting is the best choice. Give it a moment if your presentation is large, as all slides, images, and notes need time to transfer. When it's done, scroll through the thumbnails to confirm everything copied correctly. Because you're working online, your changes save automatically. If you're using the desktop app, remember to save the new file with a clear name so you can find it later. And that's it! You've successfully copied and pasted exact slides into a new PowerPoint, keeping the original look intact with just a few clicks.